Hey guys, this is Samir for Digit.in, and today we're going to tell you the components that you need to build a budget gaming PC for a budget of about 50,000 rupees. So let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is, of course, the processor. It's an AMD FX 8320 processor priced at about 11,500 rupees. Now, the reason we've chosen this particular processor over an Intel processor, of course, is the cost. It isn't the best gaming processor out there, but it is powerful enough to keep you happy for the next 3 to 4 years. Now, moving on to the motherboard, we have the MSI 970 gaming motherboard priced at about 8,000 rupees. This fairly new AM3 Plus board costs quite a stir in the market with its top-of-the-line features at an affordable price tag. Also, we think that the black and red colors make this motherboard look really good. For the graphics card, we recommend you go with the Zotac GTX 960 AMP 2GB, which is priced at about 16,000 rupees. Like we said, since this is a budget gaming PC, we're going to pay some emphasis on the graphics card, and a good graphics card was a priority while building this rig. And the GTX 960 AMP will do the job just fine. You can play all the latest and greatest games with the GPU at 1080p. Also, unlike AMD graphics cards, the TDP and heat here is much lower. For the RAM, we have the Kingston HyperX Fury 1866 MHz, 8GB of RAM priced at about 3,000 rupees. Now, unlike popular belief, bigger heat spreads does not mean better gaming RAM. The Kingston HyperX Fury is every bit equal to any other RAM in the same price bracket. Also, you can get 1866 MHz of RAM at the price of a 1600 MHz one, which makes it even a better deal. Moving on to the hard drive, we recommend the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive, which is priced at about 3,000 rupees. We don't really have to tell you to buy the Seagate 1TB Barracuda hard drive because you will anyway need a lot of storage space for these games. Moving on to the PSU, we recommend the Corsair CX500, which is priced at about 4,000 rupees. Now, the Corsair CX500 is an old and reliable power supply which will easily last you for years. Even if you update your GPU to, let's say, the GTX 970 or a mid-range AMD card, the PSU will be able to handle that extra load. So you're kind of future-proof with this one. The cabinet we recommend is a Cooler Master HAF 912 ATX, which is priced at about 6,000 rupees. Now, the HAF 912 ATX checks all the right boxes when it comes to the gaming PC cabinet. It has an armor-like design and a side window and plenty of space to accommodate the spec sheet that we've mentioned above, and has a lot of space to accommodate the specifications that we've mentioned for building this PC. Also, if you decide to add a couple of 120mm LED fans to the front of the cabinet, you have with yourself one very good looking gaming rig. So there you have it. Right now on your screen, we're just going to give you a quick recap of all the components that you need to purchase to build your gaming rig for a budget of 50,000 rupees. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like the video, hit the like button. You can always subscribe to Digit and check out Digit.in for more stories like this one.